Ever wondered how to target that one specific input field without giving it a class? CSS attribute selectors are your answer. The core syntax is simple. Use square brackets with the attribute name and value. Write the attribute, an equals sign, and the value in quotes. This selector will match any element where that attribute equals exactly that value. It's like a precision targeting system for your HTML. Let's look at real examples. Input type equals text selects all text input fields. Link ref equals homepage.html targets that specific link. Button disabled selects all disabled buttons. These patterns work for any HTML attribute you can think of. Here's a key detail about quotes. For simple values like numbers or single words, quotes are optional. But if your value contains spaces or special characters, you must use quotes. Most developers just always use quotes to stay consistent and avoid bugs. CSS also gives you powerful partial matching. Caret equals finds attributes that start with a value, perfect for targeting all external links. $ equals matches the end of an attribute, useful for file extensions. Asterisk equals checks if the value contains a substring anywhere. These wildcards make your selectors incredibly flexible. And you can combine attribute selectors with element selectors or classes for even more precision. Link brackets ref make sure you're only targeting anchor tags, not other elements with ref attributes. So remember, square brackets let you select elements by any attribute and value. Master these and you'll write cleaner, more maintainable CSS. Try building an attribute selector today. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.